Hello guys and welcome in today's episode. Here are the debris from clearing everything in the lobby and in the bathroom with the tiles from the kitchen. So just today he cleared everything out. And this is how the bathroom looks. The future bathroom. And what is incredible is that all along this house had this orifice. It was made especially or specifically to, I don't know, to take out the moisture. I don't know what was inside the head of the ones that made this this hole, but it was behind that old bathtub, and I never knew it existed. You can imagine, no matter that it was winter, minus 25 degrees outside, I was having that that hole inside the wall. I'm really amazed that the pipes didn't freeze and blow up. I mean, but yeah, everything here will be redone, remodeled, and since I will have a mosaic from the bottom up, on this wall I will not have any other pipes, so all will be moved in the kitchen. And here the walk-in shower, it will be, I still have doubts regarding how, at least this time, how long to make it, but since I would like to have a washing machine right here of 60 centimeters wide, it has to be in such a way that they will fit all. The toilet here, the washing machine, and the walk-in shower. If the space will be too narrow, I will first receive the toilet this Saturday, so I will know exactly how much it will occupy on the wall, because it's really a kind of special one. The reservoir is something between a classic one and a hidden one, so it will be for about 56 centimeters wide, from 1 meter, 1.06 meter tall, all the way down. So that's why I need the entire space. And as it looks right now, I don't know if a full washing machine will fit in here. I'll have to see, but it is just how the way things are. I'm not worried about the shower cabin or the walk-in shower. I mean, it will slide, So even if it would be like 1 meter and 20 centimeters long, that's the longest, it will slide into a 60 millimeter width. So you can imagine that's no problem. When I take a shower, I can slide it all the way here just to make sure it doesn't hit the sink. That's all. But yeah, these things are little things, but yeah, this is something else. I don't know what was inside the head of these people when they did such a thing. So here is where the wooden floor ends. I'll have to make sure that the pass will be perfect on the same level. And I don't know, but yeah, in the kitchen also more material has been added to the walls where before there was tile as well. This is how the rooms look now when they are almost all dried out. So no paint has been applied. I think it will be really nice, and especially when the doors will be installed, they will change drastically. They will improve the look of the entire apartment. I mean, it will look really nice, just like it was with the windows and with the exterior door when I first installed them. This is about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, in case you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I wish you all the best, to have a wonderful day ahead without any hidden holes in your walls, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care wherever you are. Bye bye.